Hey guys, what is going on? Today I got another budget bezel-less phone for you guys, the Ulefone Note 7. So this phone normally cost me $39. $39. I got this at like a special sale, but today I see it for like 60. So today we're gonna see it if it's worth it for $60, and if not, then wait for it to get a price reduction. Now we are rocking the, let's see, 6.1-inch display, 3500 milliamp hours, not bad, and Android 8.1 Go edition, which I'm not a fan of. So you can see the specs are not are really weak, but that doesn't mean the phone itself is bad. It's how the phone implements these specs and if it's worth it for the price. Now I really do like the box. It does look professional, and these are just drawings. You can't actually feel these, so if anyone's wondering. Alright, the phone is here at the top. Alright, that's so. Did I open it upside down? I guess they put the whole thing upside down, huh? So let's see what we get. A screen protector, a charging brick, charging cable, and manual, under manual, and that's pretty much it. Nothing else in the box. So let's just get straight to the phone. Alright, so it does come in this case. Look at that, free cameras. This is just like that Huawei phone. I forgot which one exactly, so sorry for my noob for you guys. I have the sticker, peel it off. And now we can fully feel that plastic design. Okay, first impressions on the design. Not bad. Just like all the other bezel-less phones we've gotten. And that is a screen protector. I'm going to leave it on because it's pretty invisible. But the chin, maybe slightly smaller than the previous ones I've reviewed. That design looks good though. So we're going to see how long it... Oh, that was quick. Alright, so I'm going to set this up and get back to you. Alright, now this is the phone itself. Now, me personally, I do like the skin. It looks modern, looks colorful, nice. And we have no app door in this skin, which I would mind if I was going to use this phone. And we do have a bunch of glow door. We have emergency alarm. And on this grab, no, emergency alerts. No active alerts in my area. I wonder why they put that, but because they thought I'm in Israel, that they thought it was like a war zone. Who knows? And we have all the Go version of apps, so let's take a quick look at the settings and see if we find anything interesting. Now the settings has the same type of accent, which again I don't have a problem, but I'm guessing it also doesn't have a dark theme. Intelligent assist. It just there's just the gestures, nothing like not the those weird useless gestures. App and notifications. So the settings look very plain, very normal. Now let's take a look at system and about phone. We have we have indeed Android 8.1 and security patch February 5th. So we are 3 months late, and for these budget phones that's very good, but I doubt we're gonna get an update. So first off, let's go to YouTube Go and test out the speakers. Now I did change the animation speeds. Okay, we're not gonna update because that's gonna take too long. And so I don't get sued, I'm gonna type royalty free. And I really like the haptic feedback. Like, it doesn't feel like $1,000 device, but it does feel pretty nice. It doesn't feel cheap. That's what I'm going to say. Royalty free music. All right. So let's find one with beat. Okay, this looks nice. And because it's in YouTube Advanced, we get ads. Okay. The speaker comes from the rear, so not a fan of that. Let's try and go full screen. Now it is pretty quiet. It does come from the back after all. You have a headphone jack at least, so if you don't like the speaker, connect your favorite pair of headphones. Ah, that's more like it. Alright, let's try one more thing. That is more like it. Now, zooming to full screen doesn't do this area for some reason. Some people don't like it, some not. Yeah, it doesn't go beyond the notch. Alright. Alright, so my opinion, it sounds okay. There's no distortion, like maybe a little bit. The quality seems fine. The only problem I have is that it's too quiet. So all these budget phones, like they always have completely different speakers from each other, and this one is too quiet. But still, I mean, overall good speaker. Like I wouldn't want to use it at all in a really loud place. And like in a loud place, you won't hear a thing. But at your home, I don't. It'll be fine. Alright, try some Knife Fit. My favorite game to test phones on. Alright, let's try this one more time. Yep, I see the... Alright, so there's a bit of frame rate stutter. Yep, there's a bit of frame rate issues. Now let's see if it makes a difference if we play without ads, which I bought the pro version of this app. Let's see. Alright. Alright, so without the ads, the game runs perfectly. So the adware really takes a hit on this game. So expect the same type of performance playing any other low end game. Like if you play, like there are some phones that actually had no problem with the running ads on Knife Fit, but this one seems to have a problem indeed. So you can expect this phone will indeed run light games, no problem. Just not the heavy ones. Alright, so this is the camera. We have actually 3 cameras if you didn't notice. Damn, just look at that design. Let me clean it up real quick. The design, it looks really nice. I like the glossy design. It is plastic, and we actually can remove the back. Sorry if I'm like not on schedule. Let's see what happens when I tried I couldn't. And what do you know? This is just like the Blackview A60. Wait, let me show you guys. Okay, this is the Blackview A60. It also has this middle plate. It doesn't want people like tampering with the battery, I guess. Alright, let's put this aside. Okay, so the back is very similar to the Blackview A60. We have our SIM over here. Actually, on the Blackview, we had 2 SIM slots. We only have 1, it seems. Oh, wait, we have 1 here as well. SIM 2. Alright, let's put this back on. So the battery is 3500 milliamp hours. So if you guys were paying attention over here at the top, we started off at 56. We are now at 54. So the battery is draining pretty quickly for the specs and the battery size. But I suspect the battery will get better over time. The phone just needs to settle. like because I just set it up so the phone needs some time, a day or two. That battery should get better. So let's take a selfie first off. All right, that took a long time. All right, let's take this one. All right, gonna take some pictures outside now. Okay, this is rear facing video on the Ulefone Note 720p video, and um okay, is this me, or is it not in focus? It just looks from where I'm looking through the phone right now. And while I have this opportunity in the sun, the visibility outside is decent. I can see everything that's going on the screen. Not a problem at all. Okay, this is front-facing video on the Ulefone Note 7, and I'm guessing this is 480p. Um, for me, it looks decent, and again, the visibility on the screen is very good for this price. Like I can see everything that's going on. And I'm in, like, let me go to direct sunlight real quick, and I can see everything that's going on, even with the screen protector. So I am very happy with that. Alright, so I just got done taking these photos, and I just wanna share with you some things I found during that time. The transition between moving through different tabs, it's pretty gimmicky. Like right now it's working, but before, like, it showed video, but it was still on photo. For example, look over here. When I was tapping these, it didn't really change, but when swiping like this, it did change. So that was pretty weird for me. But overall, camera's pretty decent. All right, let's go to Geekbench now. We're gonna do a Geekbench score. All right, let's see how this scores. All right, so we get the same score we got on other phones with this spec sheet. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna stop testing phones with the 6580 and 1 gig of RAM because it's always the same. So now we know. Maybe slightly different numbers here and there because there are phones with better that manage the heat better, which really does affect the scores. Now the phone has 3 cameras, but let's go back to the camera one more time. And we don't have a wide angle option. We don't have a telephoto option. So really, this is just one camera. This is just for show, not really. The two other cameras are not functional at all, which is the case we've had on these Chinese smartphones since 2017. They've been making fake cameras. Maybe one day they'll actually be functional on these like really budget smartphones. So yeah, not much more to see. Is it worth it in my opinion? If you can find it for $49, definitely worth it. But right now it's going for $60. I don't know if it's worth it for $60. Because if you're gonna get a phone for $60, you might as well pay $20 more and get like the slightly more expensive options. Because for $20 more, you can get a phone with 4 gigs of RAM and a way better chip. So if you can find it for less than $60, definitely get it. But for exactly 60, I don't know. We're gonna have to. First, I mean, I guess it's okay for $60, but I just think there's better options out there. But this is an overall solid device, so I do recommend it. It's crazy how like we're starting to see these bezel-less designs on these budget smartphones that don't even come close to $100. So it's exciting to think that in a few years we're gonna have pop-up cameras on these budget devices as well, which I which is a future I cannot wait for. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to see you in the next video, guys. Peace.